make, and do are quite similar, but at the same time they are used quite differently. Stay tuned, and I will tell you the differences. The verb make has several meanings. I'm going to break them down for you. Make often means create or produce. For example, Chef Claude makes wonderful chocolate cakes, meaning he cooks wonderful chocolate cakes. My laptop was made in China, obviously in China. My laptop was produced in China, okay? The verb make often means become. For example, I am sure you will make a perfect singer, meaning I am sure you will become a perfect singer. New York has made a wonderful home for us, meaning New York has become a wonderful home for us. Also make means cause. For example, you make me very angry every time you mention my miserable salary, meaning you cause me to be angry. You make me very angry. Don't make things worse for you, pal. Just turn yourself in, meaning don't cause your situation to be worse. Just surrender to the police voluntarily. Don't make things worse for you. Another meaning of make is force. As we learned a while ago, the police officer made me empty my pockets, meaning the police officer forced me to empty my pockets. One more meaning of make is earn. He made $2 million last year, meaning he earned $2 million last year. How much do you make in your job? Which means, how much do you earn in your job? Okay, now moving on to the verb do. Do is most commonly used to describe some general activity or to mean carry out or complete something. For example, what are you doing tonight? Meaning, what activities are you going to have tonight? I don't know what to do if my company goes bankrupt. Meaning, I don't know what to carry out, what actions to take if my company goes bankrupt. You can go out only when you do your homework. Meaning, you can go out only when you complete your homework. We often use do, plus gerund, to describe regular tasks at home or at work. I do the shopping almost every day, meaning I go grocery shopping almost every day. I go to buy food almost every day. I do the shopping almost every day. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.